all trying to show the joy of active travel and show people that it's possible to replace a car trip with a bike or with a scooter, increase the use of public transport, all that sort of thing.
Active travel is just like a great way of organising people to get to and from maybe work or wherever it is they're trying to go, while also taking up less space as well and having less of an impact on the roads or less of an impact on where they're riding.
E-bikes can help you get up the hills, you can have kids on the back, shopping in the front, you can commute to work quicker without being like sweaty, and it's great for your carbon footprint as well as saving money on parking and good for your mental and physical health.
Canberra by Bike is about trying to show people, all types of people on all types of cycles. We're trying to share the joy of riding through all sorts of social rides, because cycling is a social activity. So we do slow cultural tours, we do rides involving food. I help people plan trips to work or to schools, things like that.
Today we're here with SeeChange's electric bike library. So we have a library of about 18 electric bikes. We've got commuter and cargo styles, and we loan them out to people for 2 weeks so they can try them and see how they fit in with their lifestyle before they decide to purchase an electric bike.
Canberra's pretty flat and a bike is a great way to travel around Canberra. It also offers a lot of benefits for your body and gives you a lot of endorphins, which is great. So that's really nice as well. It also softens an environmental impact as well. So riding a bike, as most people are aware, like it has a lower environmental impact than driving a car, for example. So for some people, that's their way of contributing.
So one of the things we're doing here today is we're helping people plan their routes. We have maps here. You can get maps from PedalPower or from online. And one of the best things you can do is actually sit down and have a look and see what the best paths are to take to plan your route. And in doing so, that can give you a bit of confidence that you feel like you can get there safely and comfortably. We also find that if you want to get into commuting, that often giving it a try beforehand on a quiet day, or of going with a friend, can be quite helpful. It just helps build that confidence and make sure you know exactly where you're going, how you're going to get there, and how you'll deal with things when you arrive, where you're going to park your bike, etc.
The number one tip would just be to just get out and get in it, you know, to just hop on the bike, see how you feel, just give it a go.
Just give it a go. Yeah, we have heaps of resources here in Canberra to get people started on bikes, like PedalPower, SeeChange, the ReCyclery, Canberra by Bike.
Just about showing people, have a try and see what you think, and it might work for you, but you won't know unless you have a go.